on, guys? It's your boy Cameron Patterson. You might think this is a real life video, but no. Actually, it's Minecraft. So, we are going to get this video started today. We're gonna boot up a world. Oh, Realms Plus, I forgot I had that. Yep. Here we have all this pulled up. I can create new. I can do whatever I want. Do 1 block plus anything. But for now, we're gonna play 1 block plus. I am absolutely kidding. Because I don't have money. Yes, I know this is bad. I moved my head for a second. So, yep, we're gonna do a break. I'm gonna call it YouTube this week because I'm bored. Okay. So here we go. We are going to be loading up this world. I will see you guys in the world. What is going on, guys? We are back. We are in the world now. So we're gonna go in. Yes, it will be slow because it's my computer. And I don't have anything. So yeah. Guys, the recording stopped. Pretty neat. So here we go. Let me open up the inventory real quick. Yep. So we will start off on a crafting table. Simple as that. We'll get a pickaxe. And then last, for non-suspicious reasons. I will know what's up with it. Somehow it's running. The game froze. Oh, that's bad. Oh, there we go. Ew, my webcam frozen now. Frozen. Hi. Well, I would say that's weird. I don't like it. It's off. Yay! I love ice. What is happening to my phone? Oh wow! Every achievement I get pops up on my phone now. Okay. So I have played Minecraft before. I played it in the Trolling with Joe video. Oh, that's the calf button. No, wait. Okay, that's how you sprint. Didn't know how to sprint for a second. Because normally I play on Xbox. Trust me, I do. Be aware. Ooh, wah, wah. Okay, I just saw images. That was scary. Wah, wah, missing. Check 3. collect some stone. Here we go. Okay, I don't. But I really gotta get my memory card. And yes, I do actually have a memory stick, but I have yet to put it in. Adventuring time. I'm getting way too many achievements on my phone. Why is there a small hole in there? Okay. I don't want to know. And yes, don't ask me what powder snow looks like. What was that sound? Down for a second. It broke down again. This is weird. I don't like this. So no. Okay, I need to get my computer fixed or something. Outrageous. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Now, peace.